This is the diff lock pedal off the 574, and it was solid. It was solid because it had seized onto its pivot bolt, because there's no lubrication system at all. So I'm just going to fit a grease nipple into the back of the pedal. And tapped quarter UNF. Oh, the grease nipple. There we are. Just tighten it up in a minute and the job's done. And now it can go back on. Easy little job. And this is the foot throttle, and as you can see, the shaft has worn halfway through, and the holder has become oval. So I'm going to have to see what I can do to help it out. So I've made a couple of rectangular washers out of scrap, which I'll weld on the pedal mount just to create new bearing surfaces, and I'll also weld up that groove in the pedal. So I just clip this link back on, and we're back in business. Job done. Excellent.